Hi guys, thanks for your interest in our Brick Breaker game. It's a pretty simple concept. We have two parts to the game, a server side and a local side. So 2 players, right? For the local side, you insert your username. Can't really see that on camera. That's okay, give the code. So yeah, you insert your username by tilting. So I could tilt and get C7. Just C7, okay. And I go ahead and click the other button, and that will start the game session. So in the Arduino code, you insert your password, you give it to a friend, and they go to the server on the website, input the password, and then they're able to start the game and see exactly where the bricks are, where the ball is, where the cursor is, and it's just classic Brick Breaker. So you're talking to a friend, trash talk, things like that, and you shoot the ball up, starts breaking bricks, and you're off to a good start. And also on the server side can see exactly what is happening on the local side, and the server side player can actually impact the game by placing adversarial blocks onto the ESP. So we have some HTTP requests to handle that, and it's able to handle those blocks, and you actually have to manage your way around the blocks. So it's pretty interactive, has 2 components, just a really fun game, so hope you enjoy it. This is the local side, and so we can break some bricks. 1, 2, we could use that power up, make it faster. Yeah, it's a little too fast, let me slow it down. Okay, back to normal speed. And yeah, let's break these bricks. Not bad. It's a pretty fun game. Oh, did my friend just add a random brick? This is tough. Oh, another one. That's not fun. Please. Okay, faster. Yeah, let's break that one. And oh my god, that's so annoying. Why is that in the way? Oh, that one too. Perfect. Yeah, game over. Won the game.
So this is the server side of our game. It begins at this startup screen. It says welcome to Brick Breaker. And to enter the main page, you click on this start the game button, and you insert a password that should be given to you by your opponent. In this case, our password is Goat James, so we enter that in, and clicking OK should take us into the main screen. Now here in the centerpiece, the main module here is just a live stream of user 1's screen. What's being shown here is exactly what's being shown to user 1 on their TFT. And so as user 2 on the server side, we're the adversary. We want to make their score as low as possible and keep them from breaking these bricks up here. So we choose a height and width, a dimension for our block via this drop-down menu. And once we submit that, we can click on this screen, and that block will be placed in user 1's screen, interrupting their gameplay. So if user 1 wants to start the game, we can see it in action. All right, so first we're going to select a 5x15, for instance, and place it here. We can choose different dimensions for the bricks. Here's a 9x9. And our goal is to keep user 1 from breaking all of the bricks and winning the game, keeping the score as low as possible. Okay, now that user 1 has finished their game, if their score is sufficiently high, they might be in the top 5. So let's go check out the leaderboard. Okay, the leaderboard consists of Diego, Peter, Pedro, Robin, and Pablo, 16, 13, 13, 13, and 12 respectively. It just keeps track of the top 5 scores that have ever been played, or have been earned via this game. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you. So this is just a demonstration of the local side of the project and the server side of the project working together and at the same time. So I start the game, put in the password GoatJames, click OK, and we're off.